Right now, we are going to look into some Aeolian mode licks. First on the list is. Now I'm going to take it slowly. This is do, so, ta, si, so, fa, so, mo, re, do. Alright? Alright? You can still extend it from that high octave to a lower one by playing. This is do, so, ta, si, so, fa, so, mo, re, do, so, ta, si, so, fa, so, mo, re, do. Alright? And second on the list you have is. This is so, do, re, mo, fa, so, do, ta, si, so. Alright? Alright? So, do, re, mo, fa, so, do, ta, si, so. Alright? Now, this same lick, you can play it in another form by playing what? The same thing. The first saw I played was on the lower octave, and the second one now is on the higher octave. The first one. And the second one now is. Next on the list is. This is re, do, so, ta, si, so, fa, do, mo, re. Alright? Alright, I'll take it again. It's on the lower octave, alright? As simple as that. And the next is. This is fa, do, re, mo, fa, so, do, ta, si, so, fa. Alright? I'm going to take it slower than this, right? Fa, do, re, mo, fa, so, do, ta, si, so, fa. And the next you have is. I'm going to take this. This is so, fa, do, re, mo, re, do, ta, si, so. So, fa, do, re, mo, re, do, ta, si, so. Alright, this is it. I'll take it slowly.